I'm Jamie, and today is Graphic Liner Trendy Tuesday. I'm sorry I did not forget you guys last week. I just got busy, and you know, okay, I forgot, but I didn't forget. You know what I'm saying? But I'm here. But today we're just gonna do a simple look. I'm gonna get into my little liner drawer, and I'm gonna just pick out the pink. I'm gonna try to do like a pastel-y look. So I got this wrist taker by MAC at a store that's closing down here for $3.99, dude. So I'm gonna start out by putting my my eyeshadow on, which I normally put my liner on first, but we do things however the heck we want to. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I believe it's called Totally Fierce, and just it's kind of a pinky peach color. Just kind of put that in the crease and up above the crease. This is the actual third time I'm shooting this. Sorry that you have to look at my big arms, but dude, it's hot. I feel like it's too hot. It's probably around 90 something. Comment down below what the temperature is in your area. If you didn't realize, this is a wig. I mean, my real hair somewhat looks like this, but I don't have bangs. And see, now you're kind of seeing my hair. But my real hair don't have bangs, and it doesn't look this good. But it is what it is. Let me see. Do I want to do pink? Should we do pink or should we do orange? I don't really like this orange. I have this orange right here. No, I don't. This ain't my favorite. So yeah, we'll just go with that pink, I believe. Yeah, we'll just go with that light pink. And I'm just gonna do a simple look. I'm not gonna use any sort of inspiration pick. I'm gonna do what I want. So I'm just gonna go, let's see, put you forward a little bit. I'm gonna make a normal wing. And then kind of just a regular old wing. Fill it all in. This is going to be kind of a regular look, but since it's, oh, that's not bad. I'm going to try to not look up here for a minute so I don't mess it up as grand fashion as I always freaking do. I always somehow mess it up. I feel like I can't get the mirror close enough to my face. So this wing my left wing always looks ugly. Girl, the struggle is real. Do you guys probably have one eye like that. Mine's always the left one. I think a lot of people is the left one because a lot of people are right-handed. I kind of fixed it. It kind of looks okay. So I'm gonna take my little fan. That's the way we do it here. And just dry that up a little bit. I'll probably put a little bit more liner on. I might put a little bit of black in the middle. We'll see. But let's see. Let's take that pink again. And I kind of got a pinky peach and then a light pink. And I'm just gonna take it and put the line right there, just to kind of make it more of a graphic type situation. See, the left eye always turns out gimpy. Sorry. So, okay, so I'm going to let that dry a minute, and I'll just put on the rest of my makeup with you guys with me. Put you back a little bit. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and, because I'm gonna show you something else with a graphic liner. So, but I'm gonna go in with the NYX contour palette. I'm gonna do my bronzer. I'm gonna take this color right here and a tiny bit of this and just bronze up. I think I went a little bit crazy right there. And that's fine. Because what I normally do if I go crazy is I take the thing that I put my foundation on with, the brush, and I just blend it out so it don't look crazy. It's okay if my hair shows a little bit because it has the dark hair in there. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna take this blush. It's kind of it's a peach blush. It's hard to open. Yeah, it's hard to open. I can't get it open. Okay, got it. Peach colored. And I'm just gonna like a pink peach look. And I'm gonna put a little bit right, kind of just going up over my nose. Once again, taking that brush that I put my foundation on with. Kind of blend in it. I'm going to take some Grande mascara. Put on my lashes. I would put lashes on, but we all know that is not my gig. Little by little, guys, I'm at least into wearing lippies now, so that I wouldn't, like, if you go back to my videos and look, this girl was not wearing no lippies no year ago. Like, I would leave the video without putting on a lippy, and I was like, so it's in steps. It's in steps, y'all. So, let's see. Do I want to put anything else on there? No. I'm gonna go back into my liner drawer. I'm gonna get out. Everything's falling. It's my signature calling card. I can't even get that drawer back in. Ah. Okay, what I'm gonna do with this is a brown liner. I'm gonna start putting freckles on. Try and stop me. And I just put it all over here. And you just do various sizes, various like shapes, but mostly round. And I go up here, and this takes a minute, so I might have to fast forward, but if you find the right liner, this is easy. So there's my freckles, and then I just kind of let them dry for a minute. And I'll show you what else I do. So I take this brush again and kind of just stipple over it to make sure they're kind of See? And then sometimes I will take, where to go? What am I looking for? I don't remember what I'm looking for. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. Oh well. So I think that is the look. Let's go in with, this is Shoop by Salt and Pepper. It's the lip liner and the lippy. And just throw the lipstick on. I really like the lipstick color. Ooh. Okay. And then I'm going to take my continuous setting spray by Morphe and spray the face. Try not to get it in my hair. But I think I need one more thing, which is I'm going to put, I think this is this a highlight? I don't know if this is a highlight, dude. Let It Rock. Is it a highlight? Let's not do that because we don't really know. I'm going to take Flexitarian by ColourPop and let her bling. Let her shine shine bright like a diamond. But I believe that includes this look. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up down there. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow all of my social medias. They will be linked down below in the description box. Again, I'm sorry you had to look at my fat arms, but it is hot out there, girl. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Make sure you come back next week for Graphic Liner Trendy Tuesday. And thank you for watching. Bye.